Okay, good day mga ka-agree. Now I am going to show you how to harvest Vermicast from our Vermibed, okay, the African Nightcrawler byproduct. So magha-harvest po tayo mga ka-agree ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo ng step by step at mabilisan ko paano namin to hina-harvest itong aming Vermicast. The number one consideration is that you need to ensure that you will do it after 60 days. Why? To ensure that all the substrate are being consumed. Para sigurado tayo po, dapat 60 days ka mag-i-start para siguraduhin mong nakain ng lahat yung wala na siyang hindi nakain. Ngayon, the next thing is that you need, yun po, dapat sigurado tayo 60 days na mag-i-start tayo na harvestin yung ating Vermicast. Dire-diretso po yun naman up, basta nagsimula ka pwedeng every 2 weeks, ganun. Yun po ang ginagawa ng iba. The process that I'm going to show you is backyard on setting only. The process in commercial operation is very much different. Okay, so the second consideration that you need to consider is that you need to prepare first. The next substrate must be prepared. Okay, you need to ensure na meron na pong ikalawang mga pagkain ito. This is their second food. So I'm sure that they are present here. Yun nandun na sila. So, and the third one is you need to do it during fine weather. So I will gonna clean first the area and put it on the new substrate. Dito po natin ilalagay sa panibagong substrate to. Kalaban din po ito eh. Tapon natin yan, the enemy. So yun, tanggalin natin, tapon na natin. Hindi pangit, palitan natin. So kita nyo madami na siya oh. This is the first class, yung topmost. Okay, after cleaning the area, I will show you how to collect this into the center. Okay, why at the center? Because we will put the new substrate at the side, both side, so that the young one will go to the new substrate. Okay, lalagyan po natin pagkatapos na may timbon dito sa gitna yung mga Vermicast na na-harvest natin. Tapos sa magkabilang side tayo maglalagay ng pagkain. Tapos lalagyan natin ng cover para lumayas dun sa, kasi po kaya marami pa dong unfertilized egg. We will allow the unfertilized egg to hatch and the young one to grow and mature. And the heat, the covering technique is a process to allow the palalayasin natin yung mga African Nightcrawler papunta do sa bagong so that the warm temperature in the Vermicast will lead them to go away and go to the new substrate. Okay, so yan, nakita nyo, this is the young one. So let's go. I think I have completed the process, so we can now proceed to the proper way of harvesting Vermicast. Okay, we will just fast track it for you. Now we are done harvesting. Tapos na po tayo. I'll repeat the process. Number 1, you need to prepare the new substrate. Number 2, you need to remove the entire cover. And number 3, we need to do it during fine weather or sunny days. Number 4, you need to gather it and collect all the harvest at the center and cover it with sack or any hot any mantle or cloth. The purpose is to allow the eggs, unfertilized eggs, to fertilize, to hatch, okay, and the young one to grow. Now you see, you may conclude that you may disagree with my procedure with about my PPEs. In backyard setting, I prefer to use not to use PPE, the hand gloves. Why? But I see to it that after harvesting, I use alcohol. Mas feel ko po yung mas feel mo yung iyong mga alagang bulati kapag ganun talaga yung mga organic. Pero in commercial operation, you need to follow the rules of using PPE. Kailangan po natin magkaroon ng hand gloves, at bota, etc. Rake. Mas maganda bare hands talaga yung ginamit ko. As I end, I am not recommending to use a strainer during harvesting. Why? Because it may injure our African nightcrawler. Once it injured, so production will be affected. Kaya po yung agagin pag hindi kayo nasaktan. So pag nabugbog po yun, tinatamad na yung kumain, tinatamad na yung mag-mate, eventually mamamatay po yung ating pong ANC. So strainer is advisable to use only. Using strainer is advisable only during after you air dried your harvested vermicast for about 1 to 2 months. Why? For you to allow the eggs to unfertilized egg to hatch, okay, and the young one to grow. For you to see to it that no African nightcrawler is present in the our harvested vermicast during straining the produce, okay. And another thing is that you need to dispose of every enemy that you found in the vermi bin during harvesting, so that before you put another substrate for you to secure your African nightcrawler, okay. That's it. That's all for today. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. Ayun, hope na may natutunan po kayo. Feel free to comment the good thing in vermicomposting in and culture of African nightcrawler is that we are not hindi tayo kulong sa apat na sulok ng ng proseso. We are always free to innovate and study ang ating alagang African nightcrawler. Give them what they want and they will give you what you want. That's the principle of vermicomposting. Okay? Hope you're blessed by my video. Kindly give me a like, share, and comment your question. Feel free to ask question, okay? Magtalakayan po tayo at naway natuto po kayo at napagpala sa video na ito. Magkita-kita po tayo. See you in my next video. God bless you all. Mabuhay. God bless the Philippines.